Welcome. In front of me is a Samsung Galaxy M54, and today I'll show you how you can enable power saving mode on this device. So to get started, you will want to swipe down from the top of your screen and then do that once more to extend the list of visible toggles and find the power saving mode. Now there's multiple pages, you can see these dots right here, and now for me the power saving mode is on the first page. So anyway, once you see it, you can just simply tap on it and it turns on. You can also hold it and this will take you to the settings where you have a little bit of control over it. So when you enable it, you can choose also what will be enabled along with it. So we have things like always on display, limit the CPU to 70%, decrease brightness by 10, and turn off 5G. Now these are all enabled by default, so when you turn on power saving mode, it automatically enables all of these. We also have the other option, limit apps and the home screen, which this would be considered like the more extensive power saving mode that focuses more on saving power rather than still giving a relatively similar user experience with the device. So this would remove things like wallpapers, majority of the applications from your home screen, and a bunch of other toggles, for instance, from the notifications right here. So, like I said, it's designed to save as much power. So if you want to use that, you just check the box on here. But in any case, once you're done with the power saving mode, you can find the tile once again, tap on it once more, and this obviously turns it off and reverts all the changes. So with that being said, hopefully you found this very helpful, and if you did, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.